Everyone, Mr. Mush here. So, to help celebrate Charlie Dog's birthday, we're gonna make a paper dog house and we're gonna decorate it for his birthday. All right, so first things first, you're gonna need 4 pieces of construction paper of the same color. It doesn't have to be the same color, it's up to you, but I'm choosing the light blue. And it should be 9 by 12. And then I'm going to fold it like a card like this. And I wanna make a 6 by 6 square. And what's nice is the fact that it's 9 by 12 and you fold it in half, it's already 6 inches. So now I have to do this side, okay? And we're gonna do this twice, all right? So I'm gonna measure 6 inches right here. I'm gonna draw my line right here. And then I'm going to cut this part right here on the line, okay? And then I'm gonna open it up and cut it on the crease. Now, one of these squares is going to be the center of our doghouse, and this is gonna be one of the walls. And don't throw this out because we're gonna use this in a moment, all right? So I'm gonna cut the other one, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, I'm back. So I have my 2 sides, and I took a black marker, and I drew some lines to show that it's made of wood. And then I designed some little designs and patterns. I put a paw print and a bone on the side. And then I folded it down 1 inch. So what you need to do for one of your sides, for both of your sides, I should say, all right, is this. You take your ruler and just take the width of your ruler like this. It should be roughly 1 inch. Go like that. And then you're gonna fold it down like this. Okay, the reason why we're doing that is we're gonna glue it to the edges right here like this. All right, so you need to measure 1 inch, fold it for both sides like this, okay? And then we will glue it to the center, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this to the center, all right, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, now we're back. So now I added the sides, and now we need to add the front. So just like we did for the sides, we need to measure 6 by 6, okay? And then we're gonna add the triangle on the top. So I'm measuring 6 inches. I draw my line like this, okay? And then I'm gonna measure halfway with my ruler to find 3 inches, and here it is. I'm gonna put a little dot. And then we're gonna measure 4 inches like this, and we're gonna line it up like that, okay, all the way to the edge of the square right here, okay? And then I'm gonna do it over here as well, okay? And just like we did before, we're gonna cut it out, open it, and cut right here, and then you should have 2 pieces like this, okay? And I drew a hole, and I'm gonna cut it out, okay? So and make sure it's big enough for your hand to go in, because you'll see why in a moment, okay? And then just like we did with our sides, you need to flip it over, measure 1 inch, and fold up like that, okay? And just like with the doggy door, I drew it, but I didn't cut through here, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach this to my base right here, okay? All right, we're back. So, you remember this that I told you to save when we first cut out our center and the sidewalls? Well, now we're gonna use this, and you should have 2 of these, okay? So what you need to do now is you need to open it up, and for both of them, you need to cut it, and then fold these in half, okay? And because we did this twice, you should have 4 of these, okay? And you might be like, Mr. Mush, what are these for? These are for to put on right here on our sides to make sure it stands up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it over, and you want it to be like when you have it like this with the pointy part up, the crease, okay? You're just gonna put glue on the whole thing, and then I'm gonna show you one, and then you can do the rest, all right? So I'm gonna fold this up, okay? And you need to measure it like this, okay? And then you might need to take a snip like this, okay? And then you add it on right here. And you want the crease to line up with the edge of the paper. You might want to do the glue part after, all right? But either way works. So now I'm going to attach the other walls right here, and I'm going to pinch, and I'm going to press. So make sure you do that, okay? And I'm gonna do this for the other ones, and I will see you on the other side. We are almost there, okay? All right, and we're back. So look, we're almost there. Now we just need to add the roof, okay? Now this was the part where I told you you're gonna need be able to fit your hand in here. So you should have had an extra square like this, okay? So you need to cut it in half. You're gonna fold it in half, cut it in half, and then fold these two. And we're gonna put it on the sides right here like this, okay? The reason is this is the support for the roof, okay? So I'm gonna put the glue on here, okay? And then I'm gonna glue these down just like this. I'm gonna pinch, and then I'm gonna do the other one, okay? You really wanna make sure it's on there good, okay? So I'm gonna finish doing this, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, now that we have our support flaps here, now is the time to put our dog roof on. All you need is one more 9x12 piece of paper. You could add some lines, decorations on it, okay? And then you're gonna rest it right here, and you're gonna put your hand inside. You wanna make sure it's where you want it to be. So I'm gonna make sure I get it right where I want, okay? And then I'm gonna put my hand inside, and I'm gonna make sure this sticks to the roof, just like this, okay? And then there you go. We have our doghouse, okay? And as a little extra bonus, if you want, you could make some decorations like this, add it to your doghouse. Maybe it's your pet's birthday too, okay? But there you go. That is our doghouse, all right? So I would love to see your doghouse. Go to MrMushMakes.com, and I would love to see what you created. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out, and we really appreciate it. All right, until next time, peace.